friends, I am Dr. Surji Shankar. I am from the Department of Respiratory Medicine. I have created this YouTube channel so as to help out you people in queries regarding the Department of Pulmonary Medicine and help you regarding the various pathologies and etiologies of chest diseases and respiratory diseases and help you get a better understanding of these diseases. I have further, if you have any queries, you can write in comment box for further queries so that I can see to your queries. I can see that what kind of videos further you require and what kind of queries you people are having, so that it helps me make next videos based on that queries. In this video, I shall now explain how to use a DPI. First of all, we should know what is a DPI. DPI is prescribed in person suffering from asthma or COPD. Asthma is basically a disease that people have on and off during their lifetime. If somebody it is not necessary that somebody acquires asthma in a specific that is in his childhood, or has to get it in a specific time. He can get asthma at any point of time, and the pathologies of asthma may be varied depending upon what is the pathology. What is the pathology? There may be various reasons. So, not dwelling deep into this, thing is that asthma, the DPI are prescribed to those persons who are either suffering from asthma or either suffering from COPD. So in this video, we shall only limit ourselves to use, that is how to use a DPI, that is a dry powder inhaler. First you should know what is a dry powder inhaler. Basically, dry powder inhaler is a capsule based medication which is taken by India. Which is a capsule based medication which is taken by India. It comes in capsules. Like this. I will show you. I will be demonstrating this. It comes in capsules like this. This is the capsule. You get in capsule like this, and here we get some medication. See, here you can see this medication is there, and here you can see medications. Okay, this is the medication. This is basically capsule based medication. So there are specific devices, various devices in the market that are available to use on this. I will be explaining in step by step how to use a DPI, and other modes of medications to use are this is a DPI that you use with the inhaler, or inhaler that is used for dry powders, or you can take direct an MDI, that is a meter dose inhaler, and that is used with a spacer. Meter dose inhaler always should be used with a spacer. Meter dose inhaler without the use of a spacer does not yield good results. There are special meter dose inhalers like Soracot, that is Synchrobeat, that is breathe actuated devices, and there are some devices like DJ inhalers. But still then, you should consult a doctor so as to which device has to be used with which specific device. So to get a broad knowledge, thing is that you should use a meter dose inhaler with a spacer and a dry powder inhaler with a inhaler. So there are various type of inhalers available in the market. Firstly, very common one is lupihaler, which you get from the company Lupin. It is lupihaler. I shall be describing this in my video only, and there I will show two more inhalers. Basically, lupihaler is a small device. Basically, this is a small device. See, it is written lupihaler. Okay, this is a small device. You get like this. So, how to use? This is a device. This is a device that you can open and you can use like this. Okay, I will teach you in detail how to use. This is basically lupihaler. This is a lupihaler. Okay. Now coming to the different, we get a device from Mankind, that is iBreathe. See, this device is from Mankind. This is iBreathe. Okay. Yeah. So now there are different. You open it like this. So it opens. This is the cap, and this opens like this. Okay. So it is a device that you use to get you with Mankind. Now there are many other. You get respihaler from German laboratories. All basically have the same principle. Now this is a specific inhaler. This is an inhaler from Alcan. This is an inhaler from Alchem. This inhaler from Alchem. So basically this also opens like this. Okay. So I will basically restrict myself to lupihaler only. I will teach you, demonstrate how to use a dry pad inhaler with lupihaler. So now coming to this, and for your convenience, I'll be posting video. I have created videos how to use meter dose inhaler with a spacer. The link is on the top end. You will get the link. So kindly refer how to use meter dose. Use a meter dose inhaler with a spacer. On the left hand, you will be getting with us how to use the max spacer. On right bottom, you will get how to use it. That is air space spacer. Both are different types of spacer. Whatever you have, you can use according to your comfort, what is prescribed to you by your doctors. So, but this is for demonstration purpose. This is not for any promotional purpose or so. Now coming to this device, this is a cap. This is a lupihaler. You can see it's a lupihaler. Okay, lupihaler. Now you can open this. Okay, now you can see this device is like this, and this device, if I can show you, I'll literally show you like this. See, this has got an arrow mark down here. If you can see, it is visible to you. I don't think it's visible. Now it's visible. This is an arrow mark here. See, the arrow mark is here. Okay, the arrow mark is here. Okay, there is an arrow mark. Okay, this side you will see it's a visible arrow. You will always see it, find it here. See, it's an arrow mark that points, and see it opens in this direction. See, here is the arrow. This is pointing this side. It is not clear in the video, but you can very well see this in real life. You will find this in real life. See, I am not getting the angle. Now you can specifically see. See, there is an arrow. Okay, this is the arrow that is pointing this side. Okay, as this is pointing, you just tilt it to this side and it opens. Okay, so this arrow you have to find very carefully. You have to find this arrow. Okay, and this on tilting, this shifts to this side. Okay, now after you open this, now you can see a gap or space in between this. See, it's a gap. It's a space between this. Okay, it's a space. So in this space, the capsule has to be fit. Now I am taking out the capsule and fitting it, and I am showing it to you. Okay. Now this capsule. Now we have opened this device. Now there is this capsule is there with medications, and I put this in this. See, I will not be able to show you horizontally, but you should see that this goes into this. Okay, once this goes into this, then you have to close this back to position. Now listen to me. Now very important, these steps are very important. First, you hold this with your left hand. There are two buttons on both sides. Okay, you hold this with your left hand. Now I'll first dictate you the procedure, then I will demonstrate you. I'll demonstrate you from first front side, then I will demonstrate you from sideways. Okay, first I'll say out the procedure. First, you have to press this twice with force. Press this twice with force. You have to press this twice with force. Okay, with your left hand, press this with your right hand twice, both sides. You have to press this button both sides. Then after pressing this twice, then hold this with your right hand. This inhaler goes into your mouth. And then you inhale, hold your breath, count up to 10, and then leave your breath through nose. Okay, press this, hold this with your left hand, press this, then take this to the right hand, then get this into your mouth. Half of this has to go into your mouth, half of this, not full of this. Half of this has to go into your mouth. Then inhale, hold your breath, count up to 10, then release your breath through your nose. Okay, now I'll be demonstrating the process, but in this process you will get this is very important, you will get a whistle like sound. It's like you will get a whistle like sound while you are inhaling, and that is the only proper technique that you are inhaling it properly and the medicine is being delivered to your lungs. Okay, now time for demonstration. Okay, see, I've literally said you out the process. Now it's to demonstrate. See, I'm with holding it the left hand, I'm pressing 2 times. You'll get a click sound. Okay, 2 times, very fast. Then shifting my to my right hand, I'll hold this. Okay, I'll go deep, half. Okay, half. I'll close my mouth and then I'll inhale. Then I'll inhale, hold my breath, count up to 10, then exhale through my nose. See. Okay. Okay. 1 second. I'll demonstrate this once more. I'll first press this twice. You'll get a clicking sound. Then after that, I'll take this in my mouth. Half of this has to go into my mouth. Then I'll inhale, tight-lipped, hold my breath, count up to 10, release through nose. Okay. Okay, once more, sideways. Okay, see, I'll hold this, press this twice, then I'll get this half into my mouth. See, half of it is getting into my mouth. Then hold my breath and it's gone. Okay, after having this, see, I'll take this out, I'll open, I'll take this medicine out. Okay, whatever was inside, see, all the medication is gone. There is no more medications. Okay, see, all medications is gone. So you need not worry about this. So all medications are gone, and important is that you get a whistling sound. You always get a whistling sound. If the whistling sound is not there, the medicine is not being delivered. Most important of the step is, after doing this procedure, you have to rinse your mouth. Basically, DPIs are prescribed once daily or twice daily. Previously, or maximum of the DPIs were twice daily. Now some of the latest DPIs are coming with once daily dosing. See, for that your doctor is the best person who is going to provide you that this is once daily or this is twice daily dosing, and better you follow according to him. If it is twice daily, take this one capsule twice daily. One capsule, put it, inhale, take the procedure, do this, and then inhale twice, and then you, very important, you have to rinse your mouth after after taking this. You have to rinse your mouth with cold water, not necessarily hot water, not required. Okay, and if you want to know about the DPI MDIs, the meter dose inhaler with a spacer, again I am telling you, I will be giving the link upside with this macular, and now this time on the this corner I will be giving us airspace spacer. Okay, this space max spacer, this side airspace spacer. Okay, now, and also you can find the description in my link also, in the link below. You will find the description. Okay, in the description you will find the link below. Sorry. Now coming now the hope this video is very helpful to you, and you find this video helpful. If you are a regular inhaler user, if you are suffering from asthma or COPD, this will be great help to you. And also you can, if you tend to come across this video, then do refer to your friend who is actually having this asthma or COPD disease. So this will be great help to him, because of this inhaler is a very important medication for these asthma and COPD patients having respiratory problems, and maximum of the patients are suffering regularly because they really don't take their medications properly. Okay, hope this video shall help you and others who find others who use these medications. Kindly like and subscribe this channel, and like this video, share this video as much as possible to others, so that it helps many people who are near and dear ones, and helps people to properly take their medications. or else taking medications, being an asthmatic, taking medications, not getting benefit out of it is really a very disastrous thing that can happen to a patient. Okay, now share this video as much as possible. If you know to anyone, your friends, or anybody who is using an inhaler, you can refer this video so much, this to them as much as possible. If you have any queries regarding anything, then do post a comment in the comment section. I'll try to revert back, and with your queries and posting your queries, I shall be actually be able to know what the people, what the audience is actually having problems, grievances, actually regarding which part they want to be included in a video, which part they want to be made in a video, which part they really need as a are facing problems, so that I can make video on them. Okay, and then this is Dr. Sujay Shankar May signing off. Thank you, dear friends. Kindly do like this channel and subscribe my channel. Do like this video. Thank you.